In this guide, we're going over how you can get Shattered Gold on the M15 Mod 0 Assault Rifle here in Black Ops 7. Before we dive into the guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, in order to go ahead and check the requirements to get gold on your weapons, go ahead and navigate over to the weapons tab, select your weapon, and then what you're going to want to do is select customize on it and go over to the customize tab and find this little camo tab right here. Open up the camo tab, navigate specifically over to the multiplayer tab and scroll through it, and you're going to see everything that you need to go ahead and do. For all these military camos, for every single one of the weapons, you're just going to need to get headshots, unless it's something like the launchers, for example. And in this case, you only have to get 80 headshots total with the M15 Mod 0, which isn't too bad. The best game modes in order to get these headshots is going to be stuff like Hardpoint, Domination, or really just any objective-based game mode where you could go ahead and sit in an objective, or just kind of move around the objective like B, for example, and get some easy headshots. Obviously, the smaller the maps, in my opinion, the better. Some people find it easier to do it on larger maps, but stuff like Hijacked is going to be the best map possible for you to get these right now until something like Nuketown does drop. For these special camos right here, we'll start with Diamondback. You have to get 50 kills while moving with the M15 Mod 0. This is super easy. Once again, just play those small maps or those objective-based game modes, and you'll knock this out pretty quickly. I don't even really think about this one too hard. It is super easy to knock out. Next is 30 objective kills, which once again, go ahead and play one of those objective-based game modes. Something like Domination or Hardpoint is really good for this. Just stay in the objective, get some kills, and you'll be able to knock this out. And finally, you need to go ahead and knock out this mainframe camo, which is also super easy. You just need that underbarrel launcher attachment equipped, and you do need to get 20 kills with it. It is kind of annoying, but once again, if you're playing something like Hardpoint, for example, on a smaller map like Hijacked or Nuketown, whenever Nuketown does come out, just shoot that underbarrel into that objective and you'll knock this out pretty quickly. Now, finally, you do need to get 3 kills without dying 10 times with the M15 Mod 0 to get the actual Shattered Gold camo. Once again, I recommend just playing objective-based game modes in order to knock this one out. Sit in the objective, get some kills, or sit right outside of the objective, wait for people to run in, and then get your kills from the people running into the objective. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.